Greetings to you watching this video and welcome to 2025 once again. It is Acholi High TV and we are still on politics, still straight in the battle for Alur County, that is Pade district. We are looking at Odonga and Komakech. There's something boiling between these two people ever since Odonga confirmed that he is coming to give Komakech a run for his money. Komakech made a statement while replying to some people on X, and that was the last statement he made publicly, which has been on media. In 2024, that's the last word or words in 2024 that he made. The statement is very brief, but it is something which is eye-catching and significant. Komakech, Christopher, while replying to Kidega, Alan Shaka, and to 3 other people, he said, "You gave that person 20 years, and you have just given me 3 years. You're complaining 3 years and 20 years. You are comparing 3 years and 20 years. You're a real patriot, Jimmy. Why not compare his first 3 years in 2001 and mine in 2021? Yet in court for 2 years too. Equity is a universal prerequisite." Well, Jimmy Kidega replied, "That's not the person I am supporting to challenge you." Meaning, he was meaning Odonga because it's Odonga who stayed 20 years in Pade. And what this statement from Komakech means is Laditi is trying to say that he is blaming time, meaning he has admitted that his achievements are so low. And he's saying that it should only be compared to 3 years. But always, if you say you've been only 3 years, then we have to remove the 1 years each in each of the term that Odonga had. So we have to remove 4 years, meaning Odonga served for 16 years because he is excluding 2024 in, he's excluding some of the years in his analysis. So 3 years and this year 2025 is no any other year. It is not a year for working, because if you want to go back to parliament, you'll be active in campaign. You'll be active soon. There will be primary elections, so the politics has started or will start. This is the year for primary election, so there's no work this year. So let's say Odonga also had 16 years, but then not only blaming time and admitting that he has done less, but he also wants the people, I think the person was Jimmy, who is calling real patriots to practice more equity. That's what he's saying. He's saying that it is not equitable to compare someone who said 20 years and someone who said 3 years. Now, I think the blame on time, like those of us and Wenger used to blame on the pitch. Sorry for Arsenal fans, I don't mean anything, it's just an example. It is not something which I think will help MP Komakech, because you see, when you have a different vibe, they say every leader elected in a particular time has his own purpose and has a different energy, and the energy must match the vibe. But then also, if we accept that is true, it is not fair to compare somebody who stayed 20 years in parliament to someone who stayed 3 years, as he says. But then to be more technical, I would say somebody who stayed 16 years, because that's in his context. If we were to deal with his context, that would mean, let's accept, yes, we can't compare. But then let's take back to the promise that I posted earlier, 2 days ago. I mean to say yesterday. Yeah. What about the promise? He promised 12 key things to be accomplished within the first 100 days in the office, and did not happen. So things are not easy. I think this time around, Acholi should stop this politics of emotion, the politics of my clansmate, the politics of Kindano, just talking about someone dealing with an individual, and the person himself is the one saying, the politics of insult, hatred, and the rest, this time should go away. Actually should focus at real politics, because it is a politics that will influence us positively. It is a politics that will see us well. Look, these 4 years, I mean to say these 5 years, this term here, 2021, 2026, has been almost one of the worst terms. All bad records has come in, but most of the MPs looks comfortable. They're posting gospel words, gospel songs, gospel praises, pretending to be diplomatic. I think it's a time that, just like Peter Doc told me, Acholi needs to take back the nature of Gilbert. They need to be more in parliament. If we could have like 4 or 5 in parliament, that would be so amazing. That would be so great. Where when something is there, they will shout. If there's any other years we could see that shouting is an achievement, then it is the 2021 to 2026. That proves that shouting is an achievement. Oh yes, yeah, we need to have some MPs in the types or in the categories of those of Minister Acoli who do real work, not following the constitutional roles of a member of parliament. Those people are also very good. But then we need only those 2 types, the shouters and those 2 who sacrifice their own things. Because the normal way for you to do only the 4 constitutional responsibilities of the member of parliament will not work. That constitutional responsibility is a scam, is a trick against the people. If the people compares or analyzes achievement of someone based on those 4 responsibilities, then all these members of parliament will be considered failures. So the thing has just get it started. So we need to stay close, stay active. If you want to join the discussion, contact Acholi ITV. Any person, anyone, opposition, the ruling party, are all welcome. We put you live, we discuss a lot of topics, a lot of issues to be discussed pertaining politics and things or matters that affect us. The Jamaicans call it a big thing, Jaguan, just like the late Soccer used to say. So we're watching.